Today we're heading somewhere out of this world, Space Center Houston, where real space history comes to life. From rockets to astronauts, let's go explore. Welcome to Terry Family Adventures, a channel that strives to explore the world and show our kids what beauty it holds. On our channel, we not only want to see everything we've dreamed of, but we want to share it with others also. If you enjoy our videos, we ask you to please like and subscribe so we can continue our journey. Welcome to Space Center Houston. Space Center Houston is special because it's the official visitor center of NASA's Johnson Space Center, where astronauts train for missions, and it's home to numerous space artifacts, including Flow spacecraft and the largest collection of moon rocks on public display.
Along the way, it's before the series of small innovators to the colonists projected. On September 24th, the spacecraft lived nearly 63,000 miles per minute. It powered up and reduced its central return capsule earlier that morning. The capsule had to be jettisoned within a narrow time frame, just the right angle to hit the target, an area of roughly 250 square miles in Utah's West Coast. Once the capsule was away, the silent. She's right here.
How much do you weigh on Earth? How much you two weigh?
120.
120.05? How much do you two weigh on Neptune?
134.5.
How much do you guys weigh on Mars? 45.6. Jupiter is not working, but if they were weighing every 100 pounds is 234, so they weigh like 300 pounds almost.
General admission for the Space Center varies from $29.95 to $39.95 for adults 12 and up, $27.95 to $37.95 for seniors 65 and up, and $24.95 to $34.95 for children 4 to 11. The Food Lab is an immersive eatery experience, providing an elevated mission-driven hospitality journey to visitors. Amenities at the Food Lab welcome visitors and guests, including a fully redesigned coffee bar, marketplace, and concepts such as Outer Crust, Velocity Grill, Galaxy Greens, Deep Space Deli, alongside a rotating concept community kitchen. You get to discover over 400 space artifacts, immersive exhibits, and captivating experiences that celebrate the rich history and exciting future of America's human spaceflight program. The Space Center offerings are designed to engage and educate visitors of all ages, sparking wonder and fueling dreams. This is the Mission Mars area, where you get to discover what it takes to travel to Mars, what hardware will get us to the fourth planet in our solar system, and how humans may live on the red planet in the next few decades in the new interactive exhibit, Mission Mars. The Space Center also offers the Spacesuit Collection, where you can explore a comprehensive collection of spacesuits representing the men and women of space exploration. See the ejection suit that astronaut John Young wore on the first shuttle flight in 1981. Since opening their doors in 1992, the Space Center has welcomed over 26.6 million guests and continued to inspire nearly 1.3 million visitors annually within the 250,000 square foot educational complex. This is the Artemis exhibit. This interactive exhibit highlights NASA's Artemis program, which will return humans to the moon for the first time in over 50 years. You can learn about why we will explore and where we'll go on the moon. This is the International Space Station Gallery. The International Space Station Gallery at Space Center Houston provides a dynamic look inside the space station, from interactive live shows to a robonaut and even actual flown space station artifacts. Orbiting at more than 17,000 miles per hour above Earth, the International Space Station is the largest structure built in space. This giant science laboratory, almost spanning the entire length of a football field, gathers research and conducts experiments every day. The recently updated exhibit brings state-of-the-art science and technology to Earth in an interactive experience. Explore unique technologies on the ISS to discover how research in low Earth orbit is changing life on our home planet. New artifacts, robotic interactive exhibits, and stunning 4K video highlight how the ISS is leading the world in international partnerships, fostering commercial partnerships, and trailblazing the journey to Mars. Space Center Houston is good for all ages due to its diverse range of exhibits, educational programs, and interactive experiences that cater to a broad audience. The center offers a blend of learning, entertainment, and awe-inspiring visuals, making it engaging for both kids and adults. The interactive experiences include simulator rides, virtual reality experiences, and interactive exhibits like the Mission Mars exhibit, making learning fun and engaging. We are headed to the Independence Plaza, where we get to go inside the shuttle replica Independence, mounted on top of the historic and original NASA 905 shuttle carrier aircraft, and then explore the giant plane. It is the world's only shuttle mounted on an SCA, and the only one allowing the public to enter both. Independence Plaza, presented by Boeing, is an international landmark, offering an experience like nothing else in the world. Independence Plaza shares an important trait with other awe-inspiring landmarks like Mount Rushmore. One can't help but notice the sheer size of it all. Fitting Space Center Houston's educational-focused mission, the exhibits explore problem-solving concepts, possible career paths in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, an example of innovation from the shuttle era. The one-of-a-kind experience is offered at no extra charge as part of the general admission ticket. Space Center Houston features numerous exhibits, including Independence Plaza. Visitors can enter a replica of a space shuttle mounted on the original NASA 905 shuttle carrier aircraft. The Starship Gallery. This gallery houses multiple flown spacecraft and national treasures. The International Space Station Gallery. This gallery provides a dynamic look inside the space station, including interactive live shows and actual flown artifacts. And the NASA Tram Tour. This tour takes visitors behind the scenes at Johnson Space Center, including mission control and the astronaut training facilities. We are now in the Starship Gallery. The Starship Gallery at Space Center Houston is home to multiple flown spacecraft and national treasures. Get an up-close look at some of the most amazing artifacts that trace the progression of human space exploration. The top Starship Gallery attractions are the Apollo 17 Command Module, Mercury 9, Faith 7, Gemini V, Skylab 1G Trainer, the Lunar Samples Vault, the Lunar Rover Trainer, Launch and Entry Suit, the Lunar Module LTA-8, and the John F. Kennedy Lectern. We really enjoyed Space Center Houston, and the kids learned so much and had a blast. We definitely recommend going if you are ever in Houston.
So, I got the space. ¿Quieres esa?
We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you didn't, Houston, we have a problem. Please be sure to like and subscribe and let us know down in the comments below if you have been to this space center and what your favorite part is. A family that adventures together stays together. Thanks for watching.